Hello guys, mainit ngayon. Dito ako sa labas, pupunta ako sa sa mga paligid-paligid kasi may garage sale. Ako guys, dito na. Yan may sign garage sale sa likod ng sasakyan nila. Tapos yun, titingnan natin. May maganda bang mabili natin na ipadala sa Pinas. Ayun may dalawang bike na. So guys, those are cups, 50 cents. That's so cute. Books. And they have here this is pump. There's a crayons, tapos baby stuff. They have baby stuff, and then the jeans, Gap jeans. For the small one. They have a lot of jeans para man sa mga bata. And they have crayons, guys. Let me see. Lower boot cut. 8 sizes. Malaki naman. Okay. I don't think so. Let me see. This is so cute for the baby. That's so cute. Old Navy. I don't know how much this. Cute para sa apo ko. And this is Adidas pants. How much her size? There's no size. Maganda. But this is the jeans. Parang bata. Yun na, pambata nga. Daming jeans, pantalon. Tapos dito tayo may 5 lang Gradle, Toastmaster, and this is air fryer. Ayan for the croissants, all kinds of stuff. The DVD, King's mobile screen. And Dreams Day of the Dead, a game. And they have this map. I don't know this. So they have plates, 25 cents ang plate. 25 cents yung plate. Yung cups, to? Just the container. Ayan. Books. They have lampshade. Maganda yung lampshade. Hunger, Michael Grant. $1. James Dawson. Battle Royale. The books, The Dead Hong Son. Quarantine. They have earrings. And what's this? It's just a bag. There's our shoes. $3 for band shoes. That's cute. Ayan. $3 lang daw. Malali lang to, linisan. Let's try on. Sa kung kasya ba natin. Kung kasya, pwede naman labhan. Oh, that's actually super. Super comfortable. Let me see the other side. Oh, yeah, it's actually clean. All right. The $3 for shoes. I have my shoes, and they have a lot of books here. Book with dictionary. Oh, they have a lot of books. 10 cents, 10 cents. The whole thing is they has their play cards. Play cards, guys. Ang laki ng cards. I don't know if it's complete. Alright. And they have so many. Oh, I love the curtain because it's color brown. Let me see how long the curtain was. Ayan the curtain. And this. Yeah. That's exciting. Wait guys, I'm gonna post. Okay. Hi guys, dito na ako sa garage sale guys. Ayan yung may mga dart. Tapos I don't know, ito exercise. Ayan. May music man.